Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add PayPal payments to your Shopify store. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and log into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the bottom left corner and click on the settings icon. After the settings page opens, look through the menu and click on payments. This section contains all of your store's payment options. Next, scroll down and look for the button labeled See All Other Providers. Click on it to open the list of additional payment providers available for your store. Once the page loads, look at the top and click on the search bar. Type PayPal into the search field and wait for the results to appear. If PayPal appears in the list, click on it. This will open the PayPal setup page. Then click on the Activate button. After that, follow the instructions shown on the screen to connect your PayPal account and complete the setup process. As in my case, if PayPal does not appear in the search results, your location may not support PayPal integration through Shopify. In that case, you will not be able to activate PayPal as a payment provider. This is the situation in some regions, including mine. Thanks for watching.